that.
You know what, can I get your attention one more second? I want everybody to put their hands together for the PTA for putting this on, bringing us out here, making sure that you guys are having a good time. We're having a good time, and it means a lot for us to be here. And again, don't forget the bicycle safety things. It's very important. These guys are wearing their helmets performing for you. So when you go out and ride around, put your helmet on, put your gear on, stay safe. Dave wants to do something more for you guys. Dave's never done. That's the determination that we're talking about, not being done. Some of these tricks they've done millions of times, but you know what? They're not perfected. You go over and over, do them over again, get better and better. And that's how you get to where you want to be in life. Working hard. And we need some noise from you guys because I have no idea what's going on. So let's see what these guys got for you. Backflip with it. Backflip for Mr. Woodward.
Did he backflip forward?
Yeah, another round of applause for Mr. Dave Volker, everybody.
Nice!
And our human being, Mr. Steve Woodward. Thank you guys very much for coming out, showing your support. Check us out when you can.
Yeah.
We are the Wheels of Freestyle, and I think your principal has a message.
Yeah, dude.
Guys, you can start with your teams. I appreciate it. I think your teachers will appreciate it. Again, thank you very much. We are the Wheels of Freestyle. Students, you're going back to your 4th period. And teachers, they are all yours. Have a wonderful day.